So number one is working along the edge of the palm up to the side of the thumb there. And this is the spinal column area. So a bit like a walking action. You're going to use your thumb and you're going to go up and alongside the thumb. If clients do have any issues with their back, you'll often find it's a little bit tender in there for them. You're going to do that 3 times. And that's working and affecting the spinal column for the client. And then number 2, we're going to do the sinus areas. So the sinus areas are related to the fingers. So we're going to squeeze up and make sure you squeeze the top of the fingers, so like we did on the toes for Thai foot. Working the tops of the fingers affects the sinus area. So you can do the finger 3 times each one, or you can go across each finger and come back to the little finger and do 3 times that way. That choice can be yours. There's no right and wrong with that. Just make sure you give the top of the finger a good squeeze. I'm doing them in turn if you need to. If they've got slightly bigger hands than your own, having got short fingers, you can always change hands to do the other finger. And then we're going to squeeze around the top of the middle finger. And this affects the ears. All around the sides and the top. And then the index finger to affect the eyes. And then from there, we're going to do the lungs, which is across the palm of the hand, the top half of the palm of the hand. So again, just bring the fingers open, and then you're going to walk across the palm. You get 3 or 4 lines in there. Again, depends on the size of the client's hands. In this case, I'll do 3. And you can work your way back up again. And then back down. Do that 3 times. And that affects all the lungs for the client. And then number 6, I'm going to squeeze around the side and the top of the thumb. And this affects the head and the brain.